Good afternoon, students. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the median missing frequency. Median missing frequency. Okay, this is the last topic in this. See, once you see the question mark here, an incomplete distribution is given below. An incomplete distribution is given below. He has given. See the question number 22. Okay, so class intervals he has given, frequency also he has given. So here, so 30 to 40 and 50 to 60, here the frequency is missing. So we have to find this frequency. Okay, you are given that the total of frequency is 229 and median value is 46. Nothing but this total frequency value should be 229, and median is how much more? 46. Using median formula, fill up the missing frequency. So that what he has given here. So once you see the answer here, same like median previous questions what we have done in that only, but here what we have to do, we have to find the missing frequency. So here class intervals we have to take, frequency we have to take. So here for first one I have written F1 and second one F2 I have written. Next, as usual, you have to do the CF. So CF of we have to do 12 plus 30, how much more? 42 plus F1, 42 plus F1, 42 plus 65 is how much more? 107 plus F1. So 107 plus F2 is how much more? 107 plus F1 plus F2. So 107 plus 25, 132 plus F1 plus F2. So 132 plus 18 is how much? 150 plus F1 plus F2. Okay, so this is a CF. What we have done in the previous median problem, same thing we have to do here. But here F1 and F2 are separate, and we have to find the values of F1 and F2. Okay, so now we have what we have to do, we have to total the n. So n is equal to how much? N is equal to 150 plus F1 plus F2. Now what we have to do here, in the question, n value how much he has given? 229. N value means total of frequency only, na? So n value how much he has given? 229. Here we should be a little bit careful, ma. So n value he has given 229. Here n value how much we got? 150 plus F1 plus F2. What is the meaning of that? Nothing but if suppose we are adding F1 and F2 values to this 150, it should be 229. It should be how much, ma? 229. Clear? Now, so n is how much here for us? 150 plus F1 plus F2. So here n is how much? 229. So 229 is equal to 150 plus F1 plus F2. So what I have done here means I have brought 229 this side. Next here how much it will be? F1 plus F2 is equal to 229 minus 150. So next step what I have done, F2 and F1 I have brought this side. 229 minus 150 is how much? 79. So for finding the F2 value, either you can bring F1 or F2 this side. So for finding the F2 value, what I have done here, 229 minus 150 is how much here? 79 minus F1. 79 minus F1. Okay, for finding the F2 value, 79 minus F1 if we have to do, then only we will be getting F2 value. So before that what we have to do, we have to find the F1 value. Okay, so continuation you see. So median is equal to size of n by 2. Median is equal to size of n by 2. So size of 229 by 2 item. 229 by 2 item. So size of 229 by 2 is how much? 114.5. 114.5. So 114.5 lies at 40 to 50. How we can say that it is lying between 40 to 50? How we can say, ma? See here. So what I have said means here how much we got? 114.5, na? Greater than that value we have to take. So here why I am taking 40 to 50 means, see here, ma, here F1 value, F1 is missing. F1 is missing. So here I will explain you the point. See here n is equal to 229 and n is equal to 150 plus F1 and F2. So 229 minus F1 you do. So how much you will be getting, ma, here? 79. How much you will be getting here? 79. So let us assume it is 80. Let us assume it is 80, not 70. Assume round figure we will take. Just example I am saying here. Let us assume it is an 80. So in 80 you do half. Why? Because here we have to find the F1 and F2. Let us think F1 is 40 and F2 is 40. F1 is 40 and F2 is 40. So if F1 is 40 here, 40 plus 42 plus 40 will be how much? 82. So it is less than 114.5. So we should not take this one. Okay, next 40 to 50. This is how much here? 107. Na? So 107 plus 40 you do. 107 plus 40 is how much? 147. So it is greater than this value. Na? So once again I will explain. See here in Telugu I will explain. ఇక్కడ మనకి n ఎంత ఇచ్చిందమ్మా క్వశ్చన్లో 229. సో అండ్ n ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్లో n ఎంత వచ్చింది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ టోటల్ చేస్తే 150 ప్లస్ f1 ప్లస్ f2 వచ్చింది. సో అంటే దీని అర్థమైంది, వాడు ఇచ్చిన ఈ 229 అర్థమైంది అంటే ఈ టోటల్ ఈ మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే అది 229 రావాలమ్మా. అంటే f1 ప్లస్ f2 కూడా వాల్యూ 150 కలిపితే అది ఎంత రావాలి, 229 రావాలి. సో మనకు ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది, f1 అండ్ f2 వాల్యూ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి, 79 వచ్చింది. సో 79 అంటే కొంచెం రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ కాదు కాబట్టి మనం 80 తీసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా, జస్ట్ ఇది అజంప్షన్ మాత్రమే. 80 తీసుకుందాం. 80లో హాఫ్ చేయండి. 80లో హాఫ్ ఎందుకు చేయమంటున్నాను అంటే f1కి హాఫ్ ఇద్దాం, f2కి హాఫ్ ఇద్దాం. సో 80లో హాఫ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా, 40 వస్తుంది. సో 42 ప్లస్ 40 ఎంత అవుతుందా మేడం, 82 అవుతుంది. సో ఇది ఈ వాల్యూ కన్నా చిన్నదే కదా, ఈ వాల్యూ కన్నా చిన్నదే కదా. సో అందుకే తీసుకోవద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ 40 ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేద్దాం, 40 ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేద్దాం. 40 ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా, 107 ప్లస్ 40 అయితే 147. అంటే ఇది దీనికన్నా పెద్దదే కదా, అవునా కదా. సో దట్స్ వై అందుకే ఇది తీసుకున్నాం అనమాట. 40 to 50 ఇది తీసుకున్నాం మనం. ఓకేనా. సో హియర్ నౌ, so median lies between 40 to 50. Now as usual we have to apply the median formula here. So median, how much he has given in the question, 40. L1 is lower limit for median 46. L1 is lower limit 40. N by 2 how much we got ma here, 4.5. Okay. Next CF means which one we have to take, above this value, this one we have selected na, above that one we have to take it. Okay, 42 plus f1. So f is equal to how much, 65, and I is equal to how much ma, 10. So now what you have to do means 46 is there na, apply in the formula ma. 46 is equal to median formula L1 40 plus n by 2 4.5 minus CF is how much ma, 42 plus f1 divided by 65 into 10. So 46 minus 40 will be how much ma, 6. And next what I have done, you see here, 4.5 minus 42, I have opened the bracket, so minus f1 divided by 65 into 10. So 6 into 65, 6 into 65. This 65 is then I have cross multiplied this side. 6 into 65 is equal to 4.5 minus 42. 4.5 minus 42. How much you will be getting? 72.5 minus f1 into 10. Into 10. So 6 into 65 is how much? 390. 10 into 72.5 is 725. Minus 10 into f1 is 10 f1. 10 f1. So 10 f1 bring this side, you will be getting a plus 10 f1 is equal to 725 minus 390. So 10 f1 is equal to, deduct it, subtract it ma. So 335. So f1 is equal to 335 divided by 10. So 33.5 we got. Now round it off to 34. F1 will be how much ma, 34. Actually we got 33.5, but round it up to 34. Next this f1 should be substituted. Here I have said na equation, see here. So in this equation we have to substitute the f1. So f2 is equal to 79 minus 34. So f2 is equal to how much ma, 45. So f1 is equal to 34 and f2 is equal to 45. Okay. So at a time, at once, if you are seeing once video, you won't be understanding ma. Repeatedly 2 times you see. Okay, and then only you will be getting understand. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me or else you can call me. Okay, this is the last topic in median. So from tomorrow onwards we are going to start with the mode. We are going to start with the mode. Okay, bye.